Today I'll show you how to place two video clips side by side on the screen using separate video tracks. This is a simple split screen setup that works great for comparisons, reaction videos, interviews, or showcasing two angles at once. We'll go step by step, and by the end you'll have a clean, professional looking side by side layout. First, you'll want to make sure both of your clips are already in your timeline. The key idea is that each clip needs to sit on its own video track. So place clip A on track 1 and then place clip B directly above it on track 2. Visually, you should see two stacked layers in your timeline with track 2 on top of track 1. This layering lets you crop and reposition each clip independently while seeing how they work together. Now, select the clip that's on track 2. With that clip highlighted, open your inspector panel. Depending on your editing software, the inspector might be on the right side of your screen or under a specific menu, but you're looking for the section labeled cropping. If you don't see the inspector, check your workspace options and make sure it's enabled. Inside the cropping controls, you'll see options to crop from the left, right, top, and bottom. For a side-by-side layout, we'll usually crop either the left or the right side. The goal is to remove half of the image so that this clip will only take up one side of the frame. For example, if you want this track 2 clip to appear on the right side of the screen, you would crop away the left side until it covers roughly half of the frame. If you want it on the left side, crop the right side instead. Watch your viewer window as you adjust the crop so you don't cut off anything important in the shot. Once you've cropped the clip on track 2, scroll or look down in the inspector for the position controls. These are usually labeled position X and position Y. Position X moves the clip left and right, while position Y moves it up and down. For this layout, we'll focus on position X. Gently drag the X value or type in a new number to slide the cropped clip into place on the side you want. Adjust it until the cropped edge lines up neatly with the center of the frame and it feels well balanced. Next, you'll repeat this idea for the other clip. Select the clip on track 1, open the same inspector and cropping controls, and crop the opposite side. So if your top clip was cropped on the left and placed on the right, crop the right side of this bottom clip so it will fill the left half. Again, use position X, and if needed, position Y to move this clip into place so that the two clips sit side by side without overlapping in a strange way. Take a moment to play back your timeline and check how the two clips look together. You should now have one clip filling the left half of the screen and the other filling the right half, creating a clean split screen effect. From here, you can fine-tune the crop and position values until both clips feel perfectly aligned and visually balanced. That's all there is to it. Two clips on separate tracks, each cropped and positioned so they sit neatly side by side.